Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to register Google domain. So first go to Google and click the and search your new domain, your name, whatever you have your name. Suppose I putting my name, get it, go to get it, then select the plan, cheapest plan for the 1 year. So I selected the $12 per year, add to cart, then go to down, after go to cart, then cart information, fill up the information, put all the details, and after the checkout I fill all the detail, then after that you will fill payment. So you will register for 1 year. You will get notification on your mail. So thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Don't forget my subscribe channel. Thank you.